In this video, we'll be replacing the wiper blade on this 2007 Mazda CX-9. It's going to be the same process for 2007 through 2015. To change your wiper blade, you're going to pick the side you're going to work on. For us, it's going to be the driver's side. I'm going to grab the arm and fold it up. There's going to be a spring inside, and it's only going to allow you to go so far. With your blade in the up position, you're going to find the end where it clicks in. Now for us, this blade has a cover on it. We're going to squeeze this cover, pull it open, and we can find the hook where our blade sits into. So we're going to need now to get our wiper blade off of the hook. Which for us is just going to be pull straight down. Once you have that hook off the blade, you can go ahead and remove your wiper blade completely. What we're going to do now is install our wiper blade. At this point here, when your arm is up with no blade on it, you want to make sure that this does not snap back and hit your windshield. It could do some damage to the windshield. So we're going to keep a hand behind it. We're going to grab our blade. We're going to open our cover. We're going to slide our arm through our cover, line it up for the hook portion, and push forward. Once we're in position there, we can go ahead and lower and snap in our cover and lower our wiper blade.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.